Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about virus. In previous classes, we are already discussed about malware. So we will discuss. Now we will discuss about virus. Okay. So what is the full form of virus? Already there it is. Better information source under siege. What is the full form of virus? Vital information resource under siege. Okay. So what do you mean by virus? Uh, what is virus? So computer virus is a malicious program or piece of code that enter into a computer without the knowledge of end users. Means without knowledge of the users, it comes inside your computer systems and it is affecting your system or files folder or other things. Okay. So computer virus perform a specific functions which are mostly destructive in nature. It infects computers, servers, websites and software. Means computer virus always infect your system, always disturb your system, servers, website and softwares. Okay. So virus is not good for us. Means it is very harmful for our systems, our computers, our websites, our softwares. Okay. So a lot of types of program virus, boot sector virus, microvirus, multi-part type virus, polymorphic virus, and worms, stealth health. A lot of virus are around us. A lot of viruses. Okay. So now we will discuss. Yesterday already we explained about Trojan horse. Okay. So all these are the parts, types of virus. Okay. So now we will discuss about program virus. Program virus according to the names here files. So these types of virus infects the executed files. Okay. Means many files are present in your systems. So all these files are important for you. Okay. So the main purpose of this virus is to be make the infected files unfit by causing permanent damage of them. So some extension of these .exe, .com, .ovl, .scr and .ls. So also understood about program file virus. Okay, it is very harmful for our files because it is affecting our executable files. Okay, next virus name is boot sector virus. So these types of virus infect the boot records of hard disk. Boot records of hard disk. When we are using mobile systems or other systems, computer systems, then always one things kinds of booting system always in front of your screens. So this virus gets active during the time of booting and replace the boot record by the cropping it elsewhere in the systems. So a lot of examples are given here. Disk killer, stone virus, all these are the examples of the boot virus. Okay, boot sector virus. Okay, next points. So boot sector virus, boot sector virus always boot the records. of hard disks. Okay, next is microvirus. Micro means very tiny, very smallest part, smallest virus. Okay, so microvirus is a type of virus. It is also a type of virus that is written in the microprogramming language. Microprogramming language is like we are using binary language. Using now? Yes. So microvirus infected a computer by replacing normal micros virus, infecting a computer by normal infect virus. Okay. So they add their codes to the micros associated with programs like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and other data files. Okay. Okay. So some examples: Malaysia and Concept. So both are the examples of the microvirus. Next is multi-part virus. Multi-partile virus. So multi-partile virus is also known as multi-part virus. Okay, multi-part virus, or one more name is hybrid virus. What is the work? A multi-partile virus entered into a computer system through infected media and stay inside the computer's memory. Later it moves into the system's hard drives and infected the boot sector. It is also infected the boot sectors. So these virus is very harmful for you. Okay. So this virus is a hybrid of program file virus and boot sector virus. It can affect both. It is affected both boot sector virus and boot sector virus with program or executive files both. Okay, simultaneously. Okay. So multi-partable virus affected boot sector virus and program virus. Okay. So a multi-partite virus can be infect a system multiple times unless the entire virus is not eradicated from the system. Okay. So multi-partite virus. What is the name of multi-partite virus? And what is the other name of multi-partite virus? So multi-part virus or hybrid virus. It infects boot sector and program. Okay. Okay. Next is polymorphic virus. A polymorphic virus is capable of exhibiting itself in different forms. It is a very complicated and a smart virus. It is very smart virus because it's not simply identify this virus, because it changes binary patterns with each infection so that its genes cannot be deleted by an antivirus. Means these types of virus is very harmful because it is very smart virus. Okay. So all these are types of virus. So next day I will discuss many types of virus. Okay.